What a rough, oh dear, what a rough cup of tea. Guys, welcome back to the next job. This is a biggest job. It's £1 million, but yeah, not electrically, but the whole build, million, whatever. The guy said to us, do you want to come and have a look at it and do it? I said, yeah, we'll do it. It's fire alarm, we've got fire alarm, light in, and then it'll be loads of trays on the floors. High vis is on again because this is a site. We've got a telehandler, so we have to wear the high vis. What else can I tell you about it? Literally had one day here. We're taking advantage of this this bird cage scaffolding. They're going to take this down soon, so they want to get Celotex. So we've got to literally get all our high level stuff in first. I've managed to get a bit of lighting in, a bit of fire alarm. We can then go away and then come back. But I thought I wanted to just show you the start of this one because this is going to be a good few videos on this job. It's not just this area, so I'll give you a little tour now. Just starting to throw some FPs around, get them clipped in. We've got a wire weight here, back up, head. This is all going to be vaulted ceilings, so get your head up high where the smoke's going to bellow. We're trying to get this in because this bird cage will all be going, so we're just taking advantage of this while we can wire, getting all the high level stuff done, and then they can board, and then we'll come back and carry on. This is going to be one of our plant rooms. I've thrown some cables in for some switches and lights, fire alarm, and then as you can see it's all open. A minute still, natural light, a nice view. The floor's nice and wet now, so that'd be nice. That's going to be a drop down hatch. I've literally started to clip my cables down, and this will be a head under this floor, which is going to be a kitchen. That's going to be a break glass on an exit door, and then all heads up in the loft spaces. You can see we've got these little wireways through here, which I've used. Got some 1mm cable in for downlights. This is going to be an office. They can now Celotex on board. I can get some focus. I'm going to show you this. This is an 8-ounce hammer. I put in probably 300 or 400 clips yesterday, and if I got to swing my 16-ounce hammer around, it just gets annoying. This amount of people that have taken the mick out of me because of my small hammer, but it's very effective, does the job. If you want to know where to get a little hammer, Tesco's, £3 bargain. Quite hard to get your bearings. This is going to have a doorway here. I've got a head here which I've wired, obviously you can't see. I've then got to get into this loft. There's a loft in here. What I'm going to do next, there's a hatch. I'm going to have to put a switch up local to the hatch for 2 bulkhead lights up there. It's going to be purely storage, and I've got to get an FP up there, so we'll crack on with that now. So from the loft, you've got these massive steels here, which obviously we can't drill, so I've managed to find a hole, a gap above this here, so this is going to be my wireway through. I've got a head in this corridor here somewhere, so I'm probably going to have to drill some holes, but what I'm going to do is do it high up, because they're probably going to Celotex this, so at least your cables won't be affected by the insulation, you know, as much as you can do. So nice, I just moved these boards and they're absolutely full of crap. So it's all gone down my back and in my face. Nice. Right, this is the other loft. My cables come through that wall and dive into that corridor where I just was. I'm then gonna, my cable's on the drum here, like this. Okay, I can pull that on my own. I'm gonna thread it across here and then go centre this area here, but I'm going to get a light set up first. Just clipping this cable down, just a top tip. If they're going to Celotex this and board it, leave your cables high. Roofers are finished, so you know they're not going to fire any nails through. Celotex is there, plasterboard's going on here, they'll then bring your cables straight through. Never cut it there, never cut it short. Look, leave at least half a metre or metre. Might sound like a waste, but at least you've got the ability, if they want to change their mind and put that over there, you'll be able to fish that over at a later date and the painter can make good. This fire alarm system is addressable, so which means it's going to be wired in a loop. So rather than having ender lines, literally it's wired as you would a ring main, round, back to the panel. So next, I've clipped my cable up and down. Below here there's going to be toilets and stuff, so what I'm going to do is leave a leg long enough to come under this floor, do all these heads, run back out and then along that way. So I've literally clipped a cable up and over. There's a gap right at the top, but I don't want to use it because you've got to leave expansion for the timbers, so sometime over that will expand. I don't want to push the cable, so I've come under. They're then going to sellotex and board this, so my cable's safe there. That's going to get one LED bulkhead. That will get another LED bulkhead just for this loft area, and then this will be a switch down here, and I'll pick a feed off the lighting circuit in this. This is going to be a toilet area under here. Right, this is a different part of the building. This is going to be a vaulted ceiling, but I have got this access here. They've sellotexed here, so this is going to not be on show, so I've clipped along into the loft space where there's going to be a head. You can see nice oak beams, they're all going to be on show, so I can clip up and then back down, around, and then back up to my overhead in there. Make sure your head's 300 from the wall, glass roof, loft space, so I can wire through here. Get down there, there's a break glass on that wall, but it's finished brick, so we're going to have to come up in a steel conduit so it looks nice. Now that cable I just showed you comes down here. It's going to be 150 from the edge of the wall. Be down here. It's going to have a raised floor. We'll then come under here and then back up in a steel conduit to the break glass there. This is all going to be left exposed. This will be plastered. What a rough, oh dear, what a rough cup of tea. Got an ideal wireway across here. I've just spoke to the lad, the foreman. Yeah, we can. That's getting plasterboard, but so we can wire in there, and our lights are going to hang off these timbers. So yeah, that's a superb wireway. Nearly finished the fire alarm. Last leg to go in. Break glass out in the corridor. Back to the panel. But you can see there, I've managed to get that in the cavity. I'll have to sleeve these in Copex, but this is finished brickwork, so we'll just end it with a break glass. 1200 to top, so it'll be there somewhere. It'll look nice because it'll be on finished brickwork, and you won't see any containment. And we just got to sleeve it in this cavity, so that'll go under the floor on a tray, and the fire alarm panels are on this wall here somewhere, yet to be decided.